Welcome back, guys. So I've got a great new add-on for you guys. So for you movie lovers out there that love drama and romantic movies, there's a great new add-on that surfaced. It's called Dark Love. So grab yourself a hot beverage and get some popcorn. So guys, let's get to this add-on. As we see, we start off with romantic movies, drama TV, romance TV, and tools. So let's go into romance movies. So guys, it's got a similar interface as Exodus. So you got genres, year, language, certificates, people watching, most popular, most voted, box office, Oscar winners, and in theaters. So if we open up in theaters, as we see, guys, there it opens up 2018 movies, 2017, and you got a list that goes on and on and on, guys. So as you see, guys, there's a lot of love and romantic drama movies in these. So we're gonna go back out, let's go into romance TV. Same interface again, guys, as Exodus. So you got genres, networks, language, certificates, and it goes on and on, guys. So let's go into most popular. However, guys, it does take some time to actually open up, but works flawlessly. So there you have it, guys. These are all the TV shows. So you got drama and love TV shows. So on the left hand side, you've got a widget popping up, and you've got a description of the current. So there's a big list here. It's really well, and it's really. So you want to spend some time with the loved one, this is a great add-on for you guys. So we're gonna go back out. So guys, this is a short video for today. So let's get down to actually installing it. So you're gonna click on settings, then you're gonna click on file manager, and you're gonna click on add source. So I've already added the source, guys, so I'm just gonna open it up and show you exactly the source. And there we have it, guys. So you can pause the video here, take down the source, or I will leave it in the description down below as well, guys. Once you enter the source in, give it a name and click OK. I tend to put an # in front of the name so it comes up right on top of the list. So we're going to click OK, and we're going to go back out, guys. Once you're back into the main menu, you're going to click on add-ons. You're going to click on the box in the top left corner, and you're going to install from zip file. Once you're there, you will pick up your repo. You're going to click on that, and you're going to click on repository.rm. So once you click on that, guys, you're going to wait for the pop-up to appear on the top right corner telling you that the add-on has been installed. So guys, I've already installed it. However, I'm going to go in directly into the repository. But as you see, guys, the pop-up appeared. So let's go into repository. You're going to come down to repos lockdown madhouse, and you're going to go down to video add-ons. And once you're in there, you're going to go down to Dark Love. So where mine says uninstall, yours will say install, and once you've done that, guys, you will click open. And there we have it, guys. There's a great new love and drama and romance TV add-on. So guys, if you like my content, don't forget to hit that subscribe tab down below, hit that bell notification as well, so whenever I bring new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Thanks for all those that have been subscribing, and I'll see you in my next upload. Thanks, guys.